Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to use the whiteboard feature in Google Meet. Whether we're brainstorming ideas, teaching a lesson, or explaining concepts, the whiteboard is a great tool to make our meetings more interactive. Let's get started. On the Google Meet call dashboard, we can click the meeting tools in the lower right part of the screen. Then we just need to click this. Next, we click Add-ons. After that, we click Browse Marketplace. Now, we search for Whiteboard here. Once we see the collaborative whiteboard, we click Install. We will have an option to verify and continue. Now it's installing. Once the collaborative whiteboard is loading, we just wait for it to finish. Here, we need to sign in with our Google account so we can use the collaborative whiteboard. After signing in, we can click Open Whiteboard. Then we click Continue. Here is our collaborative whiteboard. We can now use it depending on our purposes. The purpose of this whiteboard in Google Meet is to help with real-time interactive collaboration, brainstorming, and visualizing ideas among participants. It allows us to sketch diagrams, use sticky notes, and annotate shared content during meetings. This enhances engagement in both remote work and educational settings. Once we're done, we now have the whiteboard on Google Meet. Now we know how to use the whiteboard in Google Meet to collaborate and share ideas visually. This feature can make our meetings more engaging and productive.